And my wife was like, you need a job. So I literally started sweeping floors. I started doing security. One day when I was bouncing, a friend of mine.
How much did you understand? Not much? No problem. Listen carefully.
And my wife was like, you need a job. So I literally started sweeping floors. I started doing security. One day when I was bouncing, a friend of mine.
How much did you understand this time? Let us know in the comment section. If you didn't understand much, that's okay. Guess what? You are not the only one. I'm making this video especially for you. So stick around till the end. Let's get started. Are you an English learner struggling to understand native speakers? Don't worry, you're not alone. Understanding native speakers can be a daunting task as they use idioms, slang, and culture references that may not be familiar to non-native speakers. But don't fret. In this video, I'll share some tips and tricks that will help you understand native English speakers like a pro. As an English learner myself, I understand how frustrating it can be to decipher what a native speaker is saying. I get it. I get it.
My transition into acting was one of necessity. I had moved out to LA to get behind the scenes in entertainment and went broke.
One of the best ways to understand native English speakers is by listening to their language in various forms of media, such as movies, TV shows, and podcasts. This helps you familiarize yourself with different accents and slang terms used by native speakers. Reading English articles and books is another effective way to improve your comprehension skills. It helps you understand sentence structures, idioms, and expressions used by native speakers. You can also take note of unfamiliar words and phrases and look them up later. Now, practicing your English is essential to understanding native speakers, and there is no better way to do that than by conversing with them. Join an English language club, talk with native speakers online, or go out socially to meet new people. This will help you practice listening and speaking skills with a real person. Patience and dedication, and of course, a lot of practice are the key to understanding native English speakers. This process can take time, and you may not get it right all the time, but keep practicing and you will eventually feel more confident in your skills.